Hello everyone, I'm James Zhu from DINSTAR. Today I will show you how to use our DINSTAR 4G SIP phone to connect to the PBX, which is located public PBX, public cloud PBX to call each other. Okay, from the diagram we can see here, this 4G SIP phone is located in the enterprise networks. Okay, our PBX using A1000 will locate is cloud-based PBX. So our PBX 4G SIP phone PBX will register to the cloud-based system or PBX and call each other. You can see all the structure here. And of course, you can use our SIP phone, or you may be soft phone, or you may other phones in different location to do the call routings and make a voice call. Okay. So in this scenario, actually you can implement in quite a lot of the industry. For example, hotel management, hotel calls, or branch office calls, or call centers, or enterprise PBS, or telephone systems, and so on. So it's quite flexible and quite easy to implement everywhere. Okay. So let's see. Here we can see the key component here. One is our DINSTAR Cloud PBX, which is created already and installed the SIP phone already. And of course, we use the SIP phone and register to the Cloud PBX. And there are two kind of SIP phone here. Later we'll test that and make a call, see how it works. Okay. And here I use the other SIP phone. It's a 4G. It is support the 4G already, but here I use the LAN port to connect to PBX. Okay, so we don't use 4G. Actually, here is registered already. You can see the status. I think you can see the status already. You see the extension registered to our cloud PBX already. Okay, here is our cloud-based PBX. You can see here there are a lot of the test number here registered to the PBX, and if you got the call, you will see all the floor here. I will show you how to make calls to SIP phones to make a call, then you will see the call floor and in real time. Okay, let's start test. I will use the two SIP phone number, which is a different location, and make a call and register to our PBX. So if you make a call, you can see the diagram, and the call is coming already, and the ring. So you see it start talking already, and two different extensions to make call each others, and the call to PBX. Here we can see the extension also got some response already. You'll see start talking already. So the call floor is there. Okay, so hang up the phone. You will see all the detail right here. If you hang up, and everything is done already, disappear already. So here immediately and generate the CDR report. Okay, you see the CDR report already. And of course, I think if you can refer this, if you got any problem. For example, you use our 4G SIP phone to register to public networks or cloud-based PBX. Maybe sometimes, maybe got some call issue, for example, like one-way call issues and so on. So please make sure you check your networks, make sure everything is done properly, and make sure the phone is registered to our PBX or other cloud PBX. So it will be very easy to register to call any place, and for all kind of the business environment. So if you have any questions or maybe any interest for want to buy our SIP phones, you always welcome to go to our website to check some proper models to get the contacts and set up the place order and test it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.